immature male germ cells. Okay, these are scientifically called spermatogonia. This spermatogonia produces the sperm cells, by a process called spermatogenesis. It occurs during the time of puberty. Spermatogonium. What is that? Spermatogonia and spermatogonium present on the inside walls of seminiferous tubules. They multiply by mitotic cell division. I am mentioning multiplication occurs by mitosis cell division, increase in number. Each spermatogonium is diploid in nature. It is diploid in nature. What do you mean by that? 2 sets of chromosomes are present in it and contain 46 chromosomes. Okay, which means 23 pairs of chromosomes are present. Okay, some of the spermatogonia called primary spermatocytes, okay, periodically undergoes for meiosis. A primary spermatocyte, if you carefully see the primary spermatocyte, complete first meiotic division, nothing but reduction division, leading to formation of equal or 2 equal haploid cells. Okay, here the diploid cell dividing into haploid cells called secondary spermatocytes. These haploid cells called secondary spermatocytes, they have only 23 chromosomes. How many? 23 chromosomes. The secondary spermatocytes undergoes the second meiotic division and produces equal haploid spermatids. Okay, equal haploid spermatids will be formed. Now, spermatids are transformed into spermatozoa. By the process called spermiogenesis. What is that called? Spermiogenesis. After spermiogenesis, sperm's heads become embedded in the Sertoli cells. In this location called Sertoli cells, they will be embedded and are finally released from the seminiferous tubules by the process called spermiation. What is that? Process called spermiation. So spermatogenesis starts at the age of puberty. As you know, it starts at the age of puberty due to significant increase in the secretion of hormones called gonadotropin hormones. Gonadotropin releasing hormones. These are coming from the hypothalamus of the brain. This is an hypothalamic hormone. Increased levels of this hormone acts upon the anterior pituitary gland and stimulates secretion of 2 gonadotropins, namely luteinizing hormone and follicle stimulating hormone. This gonadotropin releasing hormone acts upon the pituitary gland, and the pituitary gland is stimulated and produces 2 different gonadotropins called luteinizing hormone and follicle stimulating hormone. Luteinizing hormone acts upon the Leydig cells. Which cells? Leydig cells. Stimulate the synthesis and secretion of androgens. Androgens in turn stimulate the process of spermatogenesis. Finally, FSH acts on the Sertoli cells and stimulate, various types of cells. Finally, you can see here the process of spermatogenesis. You can see here spermatogonia. Okay, you can see primary spermatocytes. They looks like this. You can see the secondary spermatocytes, and you can see the spermatids, and their heads are embedded in the Sertoli cells. Spermatozoa. You can see the spermatozoa and spermatogonium. Understood, everyone? And this is the simple structure to understand the process of spermatogenesis. After this, oogenesis is there, that we